Hello, everyone, and welcome to Smart Motion Studio. I'm your host, and today we're diving into a powerful, yet often overlooked Gemini feature, Gems. What are Gems? They're customized Gemini chats trained for specific purposes. It's a truly appealing and useful capability. You'll find them via the Gemini menu in the Gems section. There are two types. First, pre-made by Google Gems, which are ready-to-use assistants. Think Brainstormer for ideas or Career Guide for job advice. You'll also find Gems for writing, coding, and training. These are essentially customized chats, pre-configured by Google. The exciting part is your Gems. Here, you can create and train your own customized AI assistants. It's simple. When creating one, you give it a name, like Videography Assistant. Then you write instructions, a system prompt defining its role, tone, and expertise. Gemini even offers an enhance button to optimize these instructions using AI. There's knowledge. This is where you feed your Gems specific information. You can upload files, use Google Drive, or import code. Imagine uploading a 1,500-page professional videography manual. Once uploaded, your custom gem becomes an expert on that data. For example, our Videography Assistant gem can answer highly technical questions, like advising on shutter speeds outdoor filming, even referencing the 180-degree shutter rule. This ability to create personalized AI assistants powered by your own knowledge offers immense possibilities for specialized tasks and efficient information retrieval. That's all for today's Smart Motion Studio. Join us next time as we continue to explore the fascinating world of artificial intelligence. Goodbye.